Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nadila Putri Azahra. It is such an honor for me to speak on this conference. Let me present my study about the effect of experimental value factor and consumer engagement on mobile health. Indonesia faces a lot of big challenges, such as access to service and the imbalance of medical facility and health works if compared with the Indonesian population itself. The condition of other surface, geography, the availability of basic facility and infrastructure, and also social economy affect the level of community accessibility to health service. In order to face this challenge, the use of information technology becomes one of the solutions that has important role in facing the pandemic and other health problems in the future. Telecommunication, or also known as digital economy, is able to remove the limit and distance between the region and also reduce the different perspective among the community. According to survey Susunas 2020, in Indonesia, community who access internet has reached 53% data by Badan Pusat Statistik 2021. Based on that statement, it is clear that Indonesia has a big potential in the utilization of digital health technology. In this research context, the use of digital health technology on mobile device is the use of software program, which is designed in a purpose to be oriented on health, especially on smartphone, tablet, or other device that can be owned by the consumer. The application equipped by detailed information and health service that easily used whenever and wherever we are. According to Forbes and Business Insider, the global healthcare industry will further step forward if data analytics and technology industry. Besides the technology development and digitalization, COVID-19 also becomes one of the factors that change the community's habit in utilization health service. This transformation caused telemedicine service become familiar in Indonesia. Although there are a lot of significant benefits from health service application, such as the lower price of healthcare and the improvement of health accessibility, but the utilization of health service application is not maximally yet. The main factor is because the failure of the effective user engagement with the application itself. Herman et Kim 2017 that retention of the health service application user significantly decreased in the first 5 months installing. The same thing also declared by Pellegrini et al. 2018, which stated that the frequency of user significantly decreased in the first 6 months installing. To find out the way of improving the user engagement on mobile health application, it needs to know that the engagement comes from the user experience in using the application. The higher consumer expect to the product or service, the more brand or product gets the pressure to trade their base. In the social media era, the evolution is emphasized by focusing on consumer satisfaction in order to catch their interest and loyalty. Research problem in this study. First, how are cognitive, hedonic, social, and ethical value connect to build user experience with mobile health and good engagement? Second, what is the impact of user engagement with mobile health and the long term about adoption and diffusion of mobile health, as measured in terms of loyalty by user satisfaction and trust? Third, how does the impact of self-bound connection affect the relationship between experimental value contracts and consumer engagement construct? Next, research framework. The concept model developed in this research in adoption of previous research that has been researched by Nadim et al. 2021, experimental value construct. In this research model, used Nadim et al. 2021 refers to concept created by Vasnia et al. 2017. Moreover, research conducted by Manijat et al. 2017 aimed to investigate the relationship between brand certification, brand trust, and brand loyalty. So from this research model, 11 hypotheses are built. The data collection method is proposing sampling, where those who can be respondent are Indonesian citizens over 18 years old and have used paid health application. The data collection method is an online questionnaire using Google Form that is disseminated through social media. The list of statement and question asked in this research is related to experimental value, consumer engagement, certification, brand trust, brand loyalty, and brand connection. Next, result and discussion. Analysis technique of descriptive was adapted for analyzing the sample characteristic, such as income level, education level, gender, age, domicile, and occupation. Table 1 illustrates the profile of 299 respondents. Same technique was applied to the data collection by the SmartLS statistical software. In this study, it was found that from batch alpha and alpha were significant and reliable. And next, PET analysis described that are 3 reject hypotheses and 8 significant accept hypotheses. Next, conclusion and suggestion. In theoretical implication, the result of the study explains that experimental value has an effect on consumer engagement, where it will create certification, brand trust, and brand loyalty. This is in line with with research which show that companies engage in characterized by the regular use of mobile health application with the aim of supporting the health or fitness activities. The research also contributes to empirical evidence of the mobile health context, confirming that user engagement support long-term compliance with mobile health application by current user in Santos Pinjande et al. 2022. And especially Santos Pinjande et al. 2022 say that user engagement to mobile health application focusing on practicing has important implication in loyalty. But in this study, self-brand connection does not have a moderating effect on experiment value relationship and consumer engagement, which could be due to the low awareness of the Indonesian people to lead a healthy life. And practical implication in the study is mobile health application developer must realize that the advance in this new era to adopt a user or patient-centric approach, which consider cognitive or hedonic, social or ethnic experience for increased user engagement that will support long-term adoption, which is like provide high quality information from user point of view, or provide appropriate feature according to user needs, or using visual appeal on the available feature. Last, limitation in future research is even though this research present relevant result in health application field, this research certainly has some limitation that can be overcome in future research. First, the research was based on cross-section data. Second, future studies may consider different group of individual in terms of patient empowerment, perceived health risks, or vulnerabilities. I have finished my discussion. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.